wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best gold panning kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. The low price on the Sluice Fox Prospecting Mining Kit makes it a good choice for those on a tight budget, but who still want a pair of pans to work with. Its dual riffles are designed for easily sifting out impurities and revealing the gold beneath. This set includes a plastic snuffer bottle, and the pans have a 12-inch diameter, but it lacks a magnifying glass. At number 7, what separates the Gold Rush mining from other options is that it includes a sample of actual Yukon dirt to begin working with. This, plus the fact that it includes a 5-inch snuffer bottle and tweezers, make it a good choice for first-timers. It also comes with a glass vial for nuggets at an affordable price. However, the 10-inch pan is too small for some. Coming in at number 5 on our list. The Sluice Fox Gold may cost more than other kits, but the inclusion of an actual sluice box may make it worth the price. This separates gold from sand and gravel by allowing water to run through the mixture and removing impurities with its filtering system. It includes miner's moss and 2 sifting pans, but it may be too complex for beginners. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gold panning kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Garrett metal detectors includes a compact 10-inch pan, which is ideal for hikers who want to save space in their backpack. It comes with a helpful 72-page how-to manual that explains important techniques. It includes durable plastic vials and weighs only 2 pounds. However, the sifter holes are too large for some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the minelab Pro Gold includes 2 different sized pans, so you can choose which is best for each site. Its classifier will filter out large rocks and debris, saving you time and making it easier to get to work on the finer silt and sand. It comes with a 2-lens magnifying glass, and all the items float in water. Gold stands out against the blue color. At number 2, the comprehensive Stansport mining has everything needed to get started, including a set of tweezers with a magnifying glass for inspecting and collecting any potential pieces. A hand trowel makes it easy to dig up and transport sediment for processing. It features 2 glass vials for gold, a snuffer bottle for rinsing, and a metal pick for crushing rocks. And taking the top spot on our list, even though the Gold Rush Nugget bucket is packed with items, its convenient design allows everything to stack together for easy storage and transport. Its black sand magnet gets your concentrates primed for panning, removing worthless iron-based sediment. It's a sturdy construction that comes in 3 colors and weighs only 7 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gold panning kits, or simply click beneath this video.